Namaste friends, welcome to the video. I will be discussing the changes in the eye during pregnancy. So what are the physiological changes that occur in eye in pregnancy? They come to you, women they come to you, she tells her complaint ki what she is having. So whether it is related with the pregnancy physiological changes or it is a pathological, you need to take advice of ophthalmologist also, but you should be aware, being an obstetrician, that what are the changes in the eye expected in pregnancy. So there are mainly two changes that occur in the eye during pregnancy. Number one, there occurs corneal thickening. It starts very early. It starts as early as the first trimester and it persists beyond delivery. It's in the postpartum also. So corneal thickening, this corneal thickening will cause changes in her visual acuity. If she is wearing glasses or if she uses this contact lenses, in that case she may come to you that doctor, I am having blurred vision. So this blurred vision, if it is not associated with the changes in her perimetry examination, visual field examination, if you subject her, if the ophthalmologist tells you that the woman you send, she has only visual acuity problem and her visual field is normal, then it is more likely because of the changes that are occurring in pregnancy in her eye. The cornea, it becomes thicker as there is water, because of what happens in the pregnancy, there is a water retention. So this water retention, it is also present in the cornea also. It becomes thicker, and because of this thick cornea, her acuity, if she wears glasses or contact lenses, especially those who wear contact lenses, they may come that I am having blurred vision. It starts early in the pregnancy and it persists till in the postpartum period also. So this, you should not be worried that if a woman comes with blurred vision, that means she is having some neurological reason behind it. Don't worry, it is because of the pregnancy changes. You subject her, you send her to the ophthalmologist. If the perimetry is done, her visual fields, they are normal. So only if there are changes, you can tell her, reassure her that okay, wait till postpartum and then we will be able to know whether this was because of some pathology or not. More likely it is because of the physiological changes that are occurring in pregnancy. Number two, what happens? There is a 10% fall in the intraocular pressure. There is a fall in the intraocular pressure by almost 10% in women in pregnancy. So these are the two physiological changes in pregnancy that you should be aware about, being an obstetrician. This video is specially meant for postgraduates and they should not miss this condition. They should not label her, if she comes with this condition, that something gross is happening. So you assure the woman, you rule out the pathological causes and assure her that this is seen. Suppose a question, there is a clinical question, I am just reading it for you. A 36-year-old fourth gravida, para 3, presents at 30-week gestation for her routine prenatal visit. What happens? She is normotensive and her urine is negative for protein and glucose also. She mentions that she has noticed blurred vision for the past few weeks. What she has come with? Blurred vision. Note that her blood pressure is normal. She is not hypertensive. What else? She has worn contact lenses for several years and now she is saying that I am having blurred vision. My acuity is not as normal as it was before pregnancy. And then her visual field, she was subjected to visual field test and it was normal and symmetrical. So what are the appropriate advice for such patient? Proceed with ophthalmologic evaluation and have her prescription updated on her contact lenses. Okay, number one. Number two, proceed with ophthalmological evaluation to assure that visual fields are intact but delay changes in her lenses until after the puerperium. Okay, and third is ignore all changes in visual acuity, and in the absence of headache, visual changes can be ignored. So what you are likely to, you subject her to ophthalmological evaluation because she has come to you with blurred vision. So you tell her to go an ophthalmologist, get her eyes tested, her visual field analysis done. If it is normal and if it is symmetrical, then you assure her that don't go for change in your contact lenses. Wait for some time, wait till after delivery, and after your purperium we will reassess. Maybe you will be adjusted with the previous lenses only. So don't be in haste, and you have to assure her. So such kind of question you can get in your exams. You should be aware about what are the changes in eye in pregnancy. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe and like the video, and if you have any queries, write down in the comment box and I will be happy to reply. Thank you.